In this video, I'm going to give you an overview and a detailed tour of the Kubota B1750. So if you're looking for one of these for sale in the used marketplace, but you've never used one before, this video may help you as far as knowing what to look for in the tractor, going through all of its features and conveniences, and just giving an overall general knowledge of the tractor.
Now, as far as size goes, this is a subcompact tractor, but it's one of the larger sizes. Front tires are 20 inches. If you look around here to the back, they are 31 13.5-15s. Pretty good sized tires for this tractor. Here at the back of the tractor, you can see it has a 3-point hitch, and there is a mid and rear PTO. And on the right side of the tractor, you do have your brake pedal right here, and it can be independent with the flip of this lever. That will help you turn. And this is a hydrostatic model, so reverse is a heel pedal, and you have a forward pedal right there. This one also has the bi-speed turn. So you got a lever right here, you can flip, and that will allow the front wheels to turn faster than the back so you don't tear up your grass. Now this has the 1640A Kubota loader. This is a quick detach loader. If you're going to use other implements and need to take the loader on and off, this is fairly simple. At the front of the tractor, you've got the bucket. As you can see, it does have dual headlights. If you want nice bright headlights, you're probably going to want to change those to LED bulbs. You got your clutch pedal. This is your kind of like a cruise control. Diff lock pedal and PTO. Battery is mounted to the left side of the seat. Simply flip up the seat, gives you access to the battery. And on the right side of the tractor, you got a lever right here to raise and lower your 3-point. And you have a full gauge cluster with fuel, RPM, and temperature. You got your throttle right here. Got your diesel fill cap right there, so there's no need to lift the hood to put diesel in. Very convenient location. And with the hood open, you can see the air cleaner there and the 3-cylinder Kubota engine. Now that's the basic features of this tractor. I did separate videos on it in action so you guys can see it moving dirt, and you can see the full operation of the loader. So check out those other videos if you're more interested in this tractor. Hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.